In this video, we're going to talk about how to recover deleted TikTok videos. Now, if you mistakenly deleted a TikTok video from your profile, you cannot recover the same exact video with the same exact number of likes or comments or everything that a TikTok video has. So there is no way that you can recover if that is the thing that you want to recover. There are a lot of videos claiming that if you report this problem to TikTok, they will help you to recover the videos. But there is no way that it works. Now the alternative to that is if you have saved that particular video on your phone, or if you have saved it previously on Google Drive or Google Photos or any other third-party applications, you could download it from there and then post it to your TikTok again. But like I earlier said, there is no way to get back the particular TikTok video that you deleted from your profile. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll be back with more.